Splice Original.
What's going on, folks? I'm here with No Luck Trucking today. We're gonna take some roller shots of their GTO in this tropical storm weather. I'm borrowing their 17 to 40 millimeter wide lens, which is on a crop sensor, so it's what, like 20 millimeters maybe. We're gonna practice getting some rollers. It's kind of a wet day outside, but it should make for some pretty cool photos. So I'm gonna start at 1/60th of a second and then try to move further down. And this camera has such a fast shutter speed that I should be able to get some cool photos. So we'll see what we can get. We're going to use a highway that picks up a little bit of speed. So hopefully there's no cops or anything, but we'll see what happens.
Got anything to say?
All right, so we got Matt posted up on this bridge here, and I'm gonna use this 70-200 he has to take some shots with a good amount of compression and a little bit of aperture. It should turn out pretty nice. The river that we're shooting at is like super high right now because of the tropical rainstorm that we're currently experiencing. So we're gonna get some cool photos.
Gotta get the perfect shot. Perfect. I'm like hiding in the bushes. Stealth mode right here, guys.
This is really hard with this long lens.
Is it heavy?
Huh?
Is it heavy?
Well, it's heavy, but also like the further away you are, the faster shutter speed you have to use to compensate for camera shake.
Oh.
So I'm like going like this in the bushes.
Learn something new every day. And Joe is now all the way at the creek. And if he falls in, I want to be recording to get it.
Oh, you're hilarious.
Uh-huh. Gonna get some good shots here.
The one thing I don't like about this cool camera is that it doesn't have a flip out screen.
Oh.
I'm sort of
Just eyeballing it.
eyeballing it, hoping I get something cool.
And Joe has made his way to the bushes again. Oh, and we've brought a box. We've brought a box out. Perfect.
So if you're wondering how to make your photos look a little bit better, a good tip for getting the lighting you want is to try to underexpose your photos, because typically you can recover a lot from your shadows, and it's way harder to recover detail from your highlights. So right now I'm underexposing the photos a lot, which is going to make them look pretty dark and moody straight out of the box. And then I can go back into Lightroom and bring up the exposure how I actually want it to be, or if I want to keep it kind of dark and moody. That works too.
Coming from the pro.
Why is that? Why am I all over?
Literally in the creek itself by now.
I feel like a wildlife photographer.
Wildlife photographer?
Wild GTO.
The wild GTO.
Stepping all the way. I know the struggle.
Yeah.
Always shooting.
Oh my goodness, this looks so dangerous.
No, what could go wrong? Slippery rocks.
Yeah, literally. Slippery rocks in the rain. And he's got shoes that have no grip.
What could possibly go wrong?
Oh my gosh, I'm slipping.
I can't think of one.
Okay, so I learned how to zoom. He's all the way over there.
Well, I don't know if that was really worth it.
Oh, good to hear.
Worth a try, right?
No falls though. Woo! We're currently moving spots. Coming up into the gravel part. Joe has been kind enough to lend me his jacket.
Well, it's really getting up in my biz.
Mm-hmm. Gotta get them angles.
We got the dual photographer set up. I'm using a 28-70 now. Matt's gonna use the 1740, and we're gonna roll back down the same road. I'm gonna try to go down as far as I can. I want to see if I can get one photo at 1/6 of a second, but I don't know. It might be a little too bumpy at the speed through. We'll find out. Make sure you guys go check out No Luck Trucking. They post videos of them on the road. They're a husband and wife truck team. And you can check out their other YouTube channel, No Luck Garage, if you like their GTO. They do all sorts of stuff chronicling the adventures of their GTO. So be sure to give them a look. I'll leave links in the for the both of the channels in the description. We got some pretty good photos. Matt and I were both hanging out the car taking rollers, and now we're both freezing cold. But I think we got some pretty good shots.
The water and the air temperature hits different.
Yeah, yeah. The water really adds a lot of the coldness to it. But you can tell that I'm just cold because my brain has stopped working and now I can't speak. But I think that's gonna be a wrap on the video. So if you guys like what you see, leave a like. If you want to subscribe, it means a lot, and we'll see you around.